Hey everybody, Mike Wardinsky here, and today I've got a quick tip video to show you how to create virtual copies of a photo and why you might want to do that in your editing workflow. So to start off, we have this photo of a coyote and I've got it selected in our film strip, and I can just control click on a Mac or right click on a PC and go to create virtual copy. And that's going to create a duplicate of this image without taking up really any extra space on the hard drive. So now you can see we've got our copy here. It says copy in the info bar, and if I click on this one, you can see this is our original. So why create a virtual copy in the first place? Well, there's a variety of reasons to do this, and one of the best reasons is if you want to create multiple versions of the same photo. For example, if I want to have a color version and maybe a black and white version. So now I can head over to the basic panel in the develop module and click black and white. And now I have a black and white image and a color version. Another reason to do this might be to create multiple crops. So I'll come back to my color version, control click, and I'll create another virtual copy. And then I'll head over to the crop tool, and maybe I'll crop this one as a 16:9 and bring this down like so, and maybe I'll bring it in just a little bit more and hit return. And you can see now this one says copy 2. If I want to rename this, I can head over to the library module, and under copy name, I can click here and label it 16:9. And now you can see that the copy extension is my aspect ratio. If you'd like to tidy up your catalog, you could always select your 3 photos, your original and your 2 copies, and then control click on a Mac, right click on a PC, and go to stacking, group into stack. And that'll stack all 3 files into one. To unstack, you can click here or control or right click and choose stacking unstack. So now I want you to hit that like button, and that's all there is to it. I'll see you in the next video and at naturemike.com for some great in-field workshops, post-processing lessons, and how-to articles.